Okay, look what I'm going to do. I will use now the Gauss elimination method. At the beginning, you should convert this equation or those equations to be matrix. Then I will put them inside one matrix. I will put the coefficient of this system inside this matrix. Then help me, please. In front of x, you have what and what?
1 and 2.
1 and what? Down you have what? You have 2. Then inside or in front of x, the coefficient of x, you have 1 and 2. Then this is the first column. In front of y, you have what and what?
1 and 3.
In front of y, I have 1 and I have 3. In front of y, I have 1 and 3. Perfect. After that, give me the free number, which it is in the right side. The right side, you have what and what?
3
and 8.
The free number. The free number here, I have 3 and I have 8. Perfect. Then I have here 3 and 8. Then let's speak. I want you to do what? How many lines here you have? How many lines here you have? How many rows here you have inside this matrix?
2.
3.
The name of row 1, R1. Remember that, please. The name of row 1, R1. Then when I say R1, that means I refer to this. And the name of the row 2, R2. Remember, then when I say R2, that means I want you to look here. And when I say R1, I want you to look to the first line. Perfect. I want you to do what exactly? I wanted to do what exactly? I wanted to convert those 4 numbers. I hope you can see them, those 4 numbers, to be like those. To be like those. To be 1 and 0 and 0 and 1. Then by another way, to be easy, you can rename this is our map, okay, which we are going to follow. Then again, I would like to convert those 4 numbers to be like this, to be 1001. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, Doctor.
Then I wanted to convert those 4 numbers to be like those exactly. To do that, you should follow some steps. What are the steps? I'll try to type them with you here to be just clear for you. Step number 1 is this number. This number should be 1. Then remember, step 1 all the time, I will convert this place to be 1. Step 2, I will come to this number. All the time, I will try to convert this place to be 0. Step number 3, it will be this number. Step 3, I will come here and I will try to convert this number to be, well, I will write that. Step 3, I will try to convert this place to be 3. And this one, no need. I will remove it. This is not required. Just those 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. They should be same like this. They should be 1, 0, and 1. Then let's now try to start. Try to help me and try to focus at the same time. It's very easy. Then in step 1, I want your help. In step 1, I will write here step 1. In step 1, I would like to change this location to be what?
1.
1. Here I have what?
1.
1. That means step 1 what? Finish. I will do nothing. Step 1 done. In step 1, he wanted me to make this location 1. Okay, this location already 1. Then I will do nothing. Then step 1 for me finished. Is it clear or what?
Yes. Clear.
Yes, Doctor.
Perfect. Then step 1 finished. Step 1, he wanted me to convert the place to be 1, and here I have 1. Excellent. Now step 2. I will try now with you to make step 2. Please focus with me. Step 2, I will go to my map. This place should be what?
0,
But unfortunately, I have here whom?
2,
2.
I have here 2. Then now I would like to convert this number to be what?
0,
To be 0.
Okay. How to do that? Try not to focus. First, change the sign of this number. Change the sign of this number. This number here, what? Negative 2, make it negative 2. This number here is 2, now make it negative 2. After that, open 2 brackets. Open 2 brackets. Between them plus. Look how I will fill those brackets. Try to focus. Because here is the main idea. If you got this finished, everything will be easy. How to fill those brackets? All the time, make the second bracket first. All the time, fill the second bracket first. After that, try to fill the first bracket. What I will write inside this bracket? Try to focus. This 2, in which line?
second
two.
line.
Then type here R2. Okay? Then the location of 2, put it here. Here I have R2. Good. After that, ask yourself, try to focus. Above this 2, you have 1 or no?
1,
Yes, I have 1. This one in which location?
R1,
In R1. Then this is the operation. Then take those and try to compute them there. I will take those operation and I'll try to compute them there. How I will compute them? Look, go to R2, to R1, go to R1 and try to multiply all the number of R1 by negative 2 and give me the answer. Again, multiply negative 2 by R1, by all the number inside R1 and give me the answer. What should I write now?
minus 2
Minus 2.
Minus 2, minus 2, and
minus 6.
and minus 6. Minus 2, and minus 6, correct. Now give me R2. This is R2. Give me the value of R2 as same. Huh? R2, it was what? 2 and what?
3, 8.
And
Minus
3 and what? And 8. Perfect, and 8. After that, add them together. Add those numbers together and give me the answer.
0,
Negative
1.
2 plus 2, it will give me 0.
1,
Negative 2 plus 3, it will give me positive 1. Negative 6 plus 8, it will give me how much? Negative 6 plus
2.
8, it will give me how much?
2. 2.
It will give me only 2. You're right. And then it will become like this. Then I forget to tell you to write below the second bracket, here this bracket, 1, 2 dash like those. What the meaning of those 2 dashes? It's mean copy the previous step, copy it same, and put it again. But remove R2, go to R2 and remove it. Then I will go to R2, the second row, and I will remove it. And instead of R2, put this result, the new result, which we did it together. Then give me now the new result. What should I write now here?
0, 1,
0
2.
and 1 and what? And 2. Perfect. Then now look, the first step, same like the first step, and the second step, same like the second step. Then I should now compute step 3. Try to help. I will copy this one to be clear for everyone. I will take it with me down here. Now I wanted step 3. Step 3, I wanted to do what in step 3? Can you tell? I should change this number to be same like step 3, to be same like this. Then to be how much?
It is already same.
Yes, then step 3 done. Then step 3 done. I will do nothing because step 3 with me. Step 3 done. Perfect. Then all the steps now finished. Step 1 finished. Step 2 finished. Step 3 finished. When you finish all the steps, you should go to your answer, this one, and try to convert this answer to be equations again. Then step 3 finished. Okay. I will come here and I will write small x here. I will write small x here and the small y here. Again, I will write small x here, and I will write small y here, and I will try to convert this matrix to be equation. Start from down. Just make multiplication. 0 multiplied by x, type 0 multiplied by x, plus 1 multiplied by whom? 1 multiplied by y equals to the right side. Inside the right side, I have what? I have 2. Try to simplify this equation with me. Can you simplify it with me? 0 multiplied by x, it will become what?
0.
0.
Then I will not write x. And at the same time, 1 multiplied by y, it will become only y. Then y equals to 2. Then now I have with me the first answer. I have with me now y equal to 2, correct. This is the first answer. Now try to convert by the same way, the second equation, this one. 1 multiplied by x, 1 multiplied by y. Type with me. Then 1 multiplied by x plus 1 multiplied by y equals to how much?
3.
Equal to 3. Simplify this equation with me, please. Then 1 multiplied by x, x, plus 1 multiplied by y. I know y equal to 2. Then 1 multiplied by 2, it will become 2. Then equal to 3. From this equation, x equal to what?
1.
Yeah, 3 minus 2, it will become only 1. Then here it is, this is the second solution, or this is the second variable equal to this. How to check overall your solution correct or right? Take this.
By calculator.
You can check by calculator, or you can take this value. You can take this value, which is y equal to 2 and x equal to 1. Take both of them with you and go to substitute inside any of those equations, the first one or the second one, whatever you like. I will select the first one. Now substitute with me. Remove this x and put 1. It will become 1 plus. Remove this y and put the value of y, which is 2. Add then 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Yes, 3, same like this. That means your answer correct. You got it? Is it clear?
Yes.
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 Okay, if it's not clear, I will solve another one now from beginning. If it's not clear, I will solve another example from beginning. Then if this method not clear for you, try to focus from now. I will solve another one. I will try to solve another one. Then this is now example 2. Example 2, solve by the same method, by the elimination method. Okay, this system of equation, I have 2x plus 2y equals to 4. At the same time, the second equation which I have here, I have 3x minus, you can say 2y, no issue, 2y equals to any number like 1 or 2. Then I would like now to solve this equation. Not 2x, just a minute, please. Okay, no issue, keep it like this. Then this is the equation. I'll try to solve them now with you. Can you help? The first step, what I'm going to do, I will put those coefficients inside matrix. I will put those inside one matrix. Here is the matrix. Can you give me the coefficient?
2, 2, 4, 3 minus
Here,
2, 2.
the first equation, or the first line, 2 and 2, and the free number on the right, I have 4. You're right. The second one, 3 and what?
Minus 2 and 2.
And minus 2, and then what? And then 2. Then this is the 2 equations. Please remember, what I'm going to do, I will take those 4 numbers and I will try to convert them to be like this map, to be what? To be, do you remember how many steps?
1.
Yeah, to make here 1. And
0.
down here should be 0, and here it should be what? It should be also 1. But remember, those 3 steps, they have order. You should remember the order. Here, this is the order number 1. That means this is step 1 for me. And this is order 2. That means this is the second one which I should do it. And then this is step 3, the last one. This number should be 1. You should follow the same order. Perfect. Then let's start now. Please help me. You know now the way. Step 1. Step 1. I'll try to write it here clearly. Step 1. What should I do in step 1? This number or this location should be what?
1.
Should be 1. But he is what?
2.
2. Perfect. Then by another word, I would like now to convert this place or this 2 to be 1. How to do that? It's very easy. Ask yourself first, this 2 lays in which row?
R1.
Then take R1 and divide all the numbers in R1 by 2. Then again, I will copy this one to be clear. I will copy this matrix to be clear for everyone here. And I will go to the first line and I will divide each number here by 2. I will divide each number here by 2. I will divide here each number by 2. Then this matrix, it will become what when you do that? When you divide each one by 2, the first line, he will become what?
1, 1, 2.
Yes, 1, 1 and what? 1 and 1 and 4 by 2, it will give me 2. Then now the first step now, okay. The first step, it becomes same like the map. The first step, it becomes same like my map. Then very good. Then now step 1 finished. Now let's go to step 2. Then in step 2, please help me. I want you to do what in step 2? I would like to convert this number exactly, this location, to be what?
0.
To be 0.
0.
Be 0. Good. How to do that? Do you remember? First, change his sign. I have here 3, then I should write here -3. After that, I will make 2 brackets. Between them, I will make plus. Here is the 2 brackets. What should I write inside the second bracket? This one. Yeah, inside this bracket, I should write the location of this 3. This 3 lays in which line?
R2.
R2. Then I should write here R2. Correct. Then what should I write inside the second bracket? This one. Yes.
R1.
Above
R1.
3, I have 1. This one lays in R1. Then I should put here R1 direct. Correct. Then the operation finished. Remember to put 2 dash below this one to remind yourself. And now take this operation and try to compute it with me. I will take the operation here and I will try to compute it with you in details. Then I will take this one down here and then I will make plus. Multiply -3 by R1 and give me the answer. Multiply -3 by R1 and give me the answer. It will become?
-3, -3, -6.
3 minus 3 again, and -3 multiplied by 2, it will become -6, correct. What about R2? R2 could be its same, no change for R2. Then it will become 3 and what? And -2 and what? And 2. And then make addition between them, between those black numbers. Try to make addition. Add them together and give me the answer. The answer will become what when you add them?
0.
Negative what?
5.
-3, -2, it will become -5. And -6 plus 2, it will become -4. Perfect. Then when you add them, they will give you these numbers or those numbers. I will take this one, this matrix, and I will repeat it again without whom? Look, those 2 dash, they will tell you, this is the benefit of those 2 dash. I will remove
Without R2.
I will remove R2, correct. I will remove R2, and instead of R2, I'm going to put what?
New values.
Yeah, the new value. Those, the red numbers here. Then put now, give me now the new values. The new values here, how much? 0,
0 minus 5 minus 4.
minus 5, and negative 4. Okay, I will continue now to compute step 3. But before step 3, I would like to ask you a small question here. I hope the screen, it will bring both of them. Yeah, this is the post question which I'm going to ask you. Try to focus. Why in step 1 I make divide? Why in step 1 I made divide? Look, I made divide. But in step 2 I used two brackets. Again, why in step 1 I made only divide, but in step 2 I used to use two brackets? The answer what?
Because we cannot make that 0, so we cannot divide by 0 because the only equation will be 0.
This is correct. This is the answer. Then I'll put the answer here to be clear. If you want to convert the place to be 1, you should make divide. If you want to convert the place to be 0, you should use the two brackets. Then this is depend about your target. You want to convert this location to be what? As you can see, all the numbers here, maybe 1, maybe 0. If you want to convert the place to be 1, just make divide. If you want to convert the place to be 0, at that time you should use this form. You should use the two brackets. Then,
So
okay, it's clear?
make divide.
Yeah, if it's 1, just make divide. Then now leave all of that and try to focus with me with the step 3. Because we did not complete step 3. I'll try now to make step 3 here with you. Then help me. In step 3, the third one, the last one, step 3 here. In step 3, I wanted to convert this number or this place to be what compared to no?
1.
To be 1. Then what should I do to convert this number to be 1? I should ask myself, this number negative 5, in which line?
R2.
In R2. Shall I make two brackets or shall I divide?
Divide.
Divide.
I will divide by this value, by negative 5, correct. I will divide by, because of what? Because I want the answer to be 1. Then I will divide. Then I will copy this matrix again, and I will go to R2, and I will try to divide all the numbers within R2 by negative 5. I will divide here by negative 5. I will divide here by negative 5. And I will divide here also by negative 5. Then what will be with me? Can you give me the answer? When you divide all of those by negative 5, when you divide all of those by negative 5, the answer will be what? 0 divided by negative 5, it will become only 0. Perfect. Negative 5 divided by negative 5, negative 5 divided by negative 5, it will become what?
1.
It will become only 1. And finally here, you have negative 4. Negative 4. When you divide negative 4 by negative 5, the answer will become?
0.8.
4 over 5.
4 over 5 or 0.8, correct. Then it will become like this. Then now step 1 finish, step 2 finish, step 3 finish. Then you should convert this matrix to be equation. How to do that? Just come here and write small x and small y. And here also write small x and small y, and try to convert those to be equation. Let's start from down all the time. 0 multiplied by x, it will become 0x, plus 1 multiplied by y, it will become 1y, equal to 4 over 5, or 1, or you can say 0.8. Okay. Try to simplify this equation with me. 0 multiplied by x, it will become 0. That means I will not write x again. And 1 multiplied by y, only y. And as you know, 4 over 5, only 0.8. Then now I have with me y. Now I have with me y. Correct. By the same way, try to convert the first equation or the first row to be equation. 1 multiplied by x plus 1 multiplied by y equals to whom?
2.
Equals to 2. Then, as you know, 1 multiplied by x, it will become only x, plus 1 multiplied by y equal 0.8. That means it will become 0.8 equals to 2. From this equation, can you give me x alone?
X 1.2.
Yeah, x equal what? 1.2. 2 minus 0.8. That's mean x equal 1.2. Then here it is.